Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Learning School and to my very first video. I'm so excited to finally start this journey with you. Starting something new can be scary, and yes, speaking English can feel the same way at first. But the good news is, fear is normal, and you can overcome it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speak English without fear, even if you're a complete beginner. I'll share tips, tricks, and simple exercises that you can start doing today, and I promise, by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English. Before we start, take a deep breath. Yes, right now. That's your first step towards speaking English without fear. Section 1. Why we fear speaking English. Let's begin by understanding why we feel fear when speaking English. Many beginners are scared because they worry about making mistakes. What if I say something wrong? They fear being judged. Will people laugh at me? They compare themselves to others. I'm not as good as native speakers. Here's the secret. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. They forget words, mispronounce sentences, and sometimes speak incorrectly. But they keep talking. So the first step is simple. Accept that fear is normal. Fear is your mind's way of protecting you, but it doesn't mean you can't speak. You just need to take small steps. Section 2. Start small and simple. The next step is to start small. Don't try to speak perfectly or use long sentences at the beginning. Start with daily phrases and simple sentences like, "Hello, how are you? I like coffee. It's sunny today." Even small sentences are victories. Each time you speak a sentence correctly, your confidence grows a little more. Mini practice exercise. Pick one simple sentence and say it 5 times out loud today. Record yourself and listen back. You might feel awkward at first, and that's completely normal. Every beginner goes through it. Pro tip. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Pretend you're talking to a friend. Seeing yourself speak English will make it feel more natural and less scary over time. Section 3. Focus on communication, not perfection. The third step is very important. Focus on communication, not perfection. Many learners stop speaking because they worry about grammar mistakes. They think, if I get it wrong, it's bad. But the truth is, people care more about understanding you than perfect grammar. For example, I go store yesterday. Everyone understands I went to the store yesterday. He don't like pizza. Understandable, even if it's not perfect. The key is, make yourself understood first, worry about grammar later. Fluency in grammar will improve naturally when you speak often. Mini story. One of my students was terrified to speak. She said, "I speak very bad." But once she started speaking slowly and focusing on communicating, she improved so fast that now she talks confidently every day. Section 4. Use positive self-talk. Step 4 is positive self-talk. Your mind can either help you or hold you back. Instead of thinking, "I'm terrible at English," try, "I am learning English every day. Mistakes help me get better. I can speak slowly and clearly." Every time you speak, repeat positive phrases. Tell yourself, "I am improving. I can do this. I am getting better." Pro tip. Take a deep breath before speaking and say one positive sentence to yourself, like, "I can speak English." It sounds simple, but it works wonders for confidence. Section 5. Practice real conversations. Step 5 is practice with real conversations. Reading and writing are important, but nothing replaces speaking with real people. Start small. Chat with a friend in English. Join online language groups. Comment in English on YouTube or social media. Every conversation teaches you something. You'll notice that most people are supportive and encouraging, not judgmental. Even if you pause, stumble, or repeat yourself, it's normal. Mini exercise. Try a 2-minute conversation today. It can be as simple as saying, "Hi, my name is," or "I like coffee." Small conversations build your confidence over time. Section 6. Embrace mistakes as learning tools. Finally, Step 6. Embrace mistakes as your best teacher. Mistakes aren't failures, they're proof you are learning. Every time you make a mistake, your brain remembers the correction and you improve. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You fall a few times, but each fall teaches you balance. Speaking English works the same way. Pro tip: keep a mistake journal. Write down mistakes and their corrections. Review it regularly and celebrate your progress. Seeing how far you've come is motivating. Conclusion. So, to speak English without fear, understand your fear, start small and simple, focus on communication, not perfection, use positive self-talk, practice real conversations, embrace mistakes as learning tools. Remember, confidence comes from action, not perfection. Every time you speak, even imperfectly, you're improving. Since this is my first video ever, I'd love for you to join me on this journey. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can learn together. Also, comment below. What's your biggest fear when speaking English? And which step will you try first? I read every comment and will cheer you on personally. Thank you so much for watching English Learning School. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and soon, speaking English without fear will feel natural. See you in the next video.